इनिशियली कैसे रहा? वाज़ इट डिफिकल्ट या स्मूथली आपने लॉन्च कर लिया था मैगज़ीन?
Initially, actually, when I was planning to do a launch, मेरा plan भी नहीं था.
अच्छा।
And we had to, overnight, we had to shift our office from one place to another. People do want to read magazine. People want to scroll every now and then. People want to see what is there in that particular book. अगर कोई कवर में आपको अच्छा इंसान दिख जाए, आप पक्का चेक करोगे कि यार अंदर क्या है, वो तो देखना है.
Hello and welcome to Let's Connect and Grow Together. Today, we have a young and dynamic personality with us, Priya Lalwani, who is the founder and CEO of a lifestyle magazine, Mog India, from our own Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much for such a warm welcome.
Thank you. So, how does this idea came of launching a lifestyle magazine?
Yeah. So the idea came when I saw, yeah, I actually wanted to become a really big entrepreneur and everything, and that's how I just initiated with uh nothing very big in mind. It's just what I knew when I initiated was I wanted to become someone like Anna Winter, and that's how this idea came back to my mind back in 2018 or 2019.
Oh,
And then I did a few research, I worked at some places, and that's how I initiated it all. That's it.
नाइस। तो आपकी मैगज़ीन बाकी मैगज़ीन से डिफरेंट कैसे है?
Hmm. अभी बाकी मैगजीन्स की बात करेंगे तो आई कंसिडर वोग एज माई कॉम्पिटिटर ऑफ कोर्स, तो उससे तो बहुत अलग है बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ओनली केटरिंग टू फैशन इन एवरीथिंग, एंड वोग इज एक्चुअली प्लेइंग एट इंटरनेशनल लेवल, एंड वी आर योर राइट नाउ कन्फाइंड टू छत्तीसगढ़ ओनली. So we are actually promoting luxury lifestyle of our own state because, as we all know, Chhattisgarh ko people consider a really, a backward state
करेक्ट।
as compared to the other states. So how? ऐसे अगर हम सेंट्रल इंडिया में देखें ना, तो there is no other luxury lifestyle magazine that is existing. And if it is existing in Chhattisgarh, that means we have certainly leveled up a bit. As I did a few of market research in other states too, or when I visited MP, when I visited Odisha, when I visited Rajasthan and Gujarat. Rajasthan and Gujarat had their own magazines, but MP, Odisha, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. And then I would like, that means it is when I initiate, I have in a way leveled up state's lifestyle by initiating this culture, although we already had a few magazines back in 2020, 2021. But due to certain mishaps, these magazines could not survive, and that these magazines actually paved the way for me, to create my own brand, to initiate something of my own, and make it a bigger version of what they were doing. And that's how we are different from any other magazines. Certainly, there are a few other magazines who initiated recently of their own, but they are doing once in a year, once in 3 months, or something like that. But ours is something we are doing it every 2 months, or as we say, consistency is the key, and we are being the consistent people of all. हमने अभी तक, it has just been a year and 3 months, and we have launched more than 8 magazines. We have launched. We are coming up with MP edition too. So yeah, we can say कि luxury lifestyle is something we are talking about in a magazine. When we initiated, we were having a very vague idea of how to initiate with, or what all brands should we cover in a magazine. Although we did a bit of R&D, bit क्या बहुत सारी 6 साल की R&D हुई है. We did that, but again, when you initiated, you want anyhow all the brands to be there with you to support you. तो जब इनिशिएट किया तब वो सिर्फ लाइफस्टाइल पे थी. धीरे धीरे, slowly and casually, we grew, and that's how we entered into luxury segment, and now we are catering to luxury lifestyle segment of Chhattisgarh, and soon entering MP.
तो इनिशियली कैसे रहा? वाज इट डिफिकल्ट या स्मूथली आपने लॉन्च कर लिया था मैगजीन?
Initially, actually, when I was planning to do a launch, मेरा plan भी नहीं था
अच्छा।
to initiate with magazine. But I'm blessed with good people around me. Everyone was very, very supportive. And you know, I should tell you an incident what happened yesterday. I wrote a story about it. You must have checked my story too. I don't know if you haven't.
Okay.
So what happened? I was driving my gadi, and you know what I always do is I vibe nicely when I'm driving or whenever I'm going out. So I play some Bollywood music. I'm a big fat Bollywood fan. So I was playing some Bollywood music, and I was just vibing and driving, and that's how. So I stopped my gari at a certain signal, and I saw a car beside me. The driver who was there, he was continuously staring at me. I felt a bit offended. Why the hell is he doing that? Yeah. So when I reached my destination, I parked my car and I got out of my car. This person stopped his gari. I was like, "What the hell? What are you doing here?" Wala mera reaction tha. I stayed. I gave him a death wala glance, and he just simply said, the way the happy you are, the way you are vibing and chilling with your life, and the way you happy you are, the aura you carry, that you should do it often. Like that makes other people happy. I was like, what to say? I was in shock. And then he didn't even, care to wait for my reaction. He just left them. Yeah. Didn't even wait for, like, what should I react and everything. And then I was, like, in shock and I was standing there and I was confused कि क्या हुआ है अभी मेरे साथ. And that reminded me of few other incidences that has happened to me like that only, where people have, complimented me for my aura, the way I carry myself and everything. So I'm blessed with people around me. These people are making me who am I right now. And that's how people have pushed me to initiate with my magazine. And it's not only mine, it's my team's. What I am doing here is nothing. I'm just saying yes and no to everything, and my team is doing everything else. All the work is done by them. So I'll say the entire mehnat is of my mentor. The entire mehnat is of my team. And the other thing is, जो भी आस-पास लोग हुए who have even been in the first ever edition of us. जो first edition होता है कितना मुश्किल होता है निकालना. कैसे लोगों को हम ट्रस्ट दिलाएंगे कि यार हम मैगजीन लेके आ रहे हैं when ऑलरेडी हाँ जो पहले की जो मैगजीन्स थी वो ऑलरेडी मार्केट बहुत गंदा कर चुकी थी. People had no trust, no faith in magazine, and then जो initial 30 people who were with us were more like a god to us, who actually helped us initiate our first magazine. And that first magazine created an impact of initiating with the second magazine and everything. तो हमने क्या किया था when we initiated ना, तो हमने 3 editions का एक साथ start किया था. तो it actually gave us an ease to work for the further editions. So that's how it was. I'll say there was no struggle at all in our life, although छोटी मोटी चीजें होते रहती हैं. We managed it all, we survived it all, and we are here. मतलब एक साल में I'll say we एक साल में क्या ही struggles होती हैं, नहीं होती यार. थोड़ा बहुत जो भी आया, like we had to leave our office for certain scenarios that happened. We had, problems with a few of very close people of ours. We had a lot of, small situations that actually at the end got resolved by themselves. I didn't have to, hustle for it. So, yeah, I'll say key. And out of all, my team supported me in every ins and yangs when we had to, overnight we had to shift our office from one place to another, and my team didn't even showed a bit of tension in their face. They were like, हाँ दी जैसा आप बोल रहे हो ठीक है, आप ऐसा बोल रहे हो यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करना हम कर लेंगे. There is no problem with us at all. So we had a really grand space for our office. It wasn't my office, of course. It was my mentor's office, not at all mine. I never used to consider it mine. But for certain reasons, I had to shift it somewhere. And the support they all showed me, I'll say that's a blessing for me.
So you are surrounded by good,
The best people of the entire, universe, I'll say. Because I am getting blessed from everywhere.
so nice. So, what is your content all about?
As I mentioned, it is all right now. It is all about luxury lifestyle. अभी previous editions हमने जो निकाला था, that was about the theme was the essence of womanhood, जिसमें we recognized 30 women from entire town, and it was about their journey, how they are redefining the world, what is their perspective towards their particular industry, and that's how it was all about. So with every edition, we come up with a theme and we talk about that. But majorly, it is all about luxury lifestyle and actually a lifestyle of a particular person, how they are dealing with.
So आप कंटेंट कैसे चूज करते हो?
To choose a content, हमारा ना एक सेशन होता है in our office where we talk about like हमारा kitchen में we do our conferences over a cup of coffee.
Nice.
That's it. That
Also, I have heard it's black coffee on.
yeah, that's the entire team. I don't know how it has happened. The entire team of us drink black coffee, and we do sessions of brainstorming, figuring it out, ki what should go, what should not, all over coffee, in black coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. तो अगर किसी को आपके मैगजीन में फीचर करना हो, so they can contact your team and
Yeah, they can surely email us at editorial@themob.in. वहाँ पे we have a small form where they have to, mention about themselves, their profile, their business profile, not Instagram wala link or something, but about themselves instead of, sending Instagram, how you consider your brand as helpful enough for other people. आप बस वो बताओ, and then our team will do a bit of research about your brand and they'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Like within 5 to 7 working days, we do reach out to people.
And how's the magazine space culture you feel in Raipur?
Before I initiated that, there was a culture. Like in 2021, 2022, there was a good magazine culture in Raipur, but due to certain mishaps, it vanished. And in 2024, when I realized that now no one else is here, let's initiate with that, and I did. But I'll say that I made a better space for everyone else to enter and more. Yeah. The culture is really nice, but magazine का culture ऐसा होता है कि people do want to read magazine, people want to scroll every now and then, people want to see what is there in that particular book. अगर कोई cover में आपको अच्छा इंसान दिख जाए, आप पक्का check करोगे कि यार अंदर क्या है, वो तो देखना है. And magazine, what it is doing is वो आपका ना screen time lessen करने में help करता है. Everyone right now is seeking a time out of their phone. If they are seeking a time out of their phone, and we are helping them, being the part in the journey of, lessen their screen time by giving you a space which you can read and generate knowledge about your own state, about your own city. So why not going ahead with magazine? And our actually agenda is, to go with 28 states and 28 magazines right now.
लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव कैसा था आपके मैगजीन को लेके?
ये ना everyone has asked me about this. Perspective तो ऐसा था कि in this digital era, you are planning to go ahead with a and सबसे पहले सबके दिमाग में यही आता है. And अभी recently even I was doing another shooting where I also spoke कि आप we also have digital magazines. Are you checking out?
No.
Exactly. That's how we are going ahead with print. एक साथ आपको written knowledge एक साथ every 2 months में आपके घर पे पहुंच रही है. Instead, आपको Google search करना पड़ रहा है about every now and then, about every situation. Plus, आप जब तक curiosity आपके पास generate नहीं होगी, आप वो चीज़ को search भी नहीं करोगे. Will you search about what is the fashion trend right now running in Raipur? No, you won't. But if we'll tell you about it, कि what all other people are wearing these days, what all structures other people are creating these days, this will actually create a source of information for you. Alongside, curiosity भी generate होगी कि who all are these people? I should know. Why am I not going ahead with the trend or something like that? So that's how we planned of, going ahead to tell people that again the Purana time is going to come back because everyone wants to feel the nostalgia. Nostalgia is the vibe where everyone find a lot of dopamine, तो वो dopamine देने के लिए हमने ये निकाली है. With that, मैंने अभी recent में I just asked everyone, like in a group we were sitting, तो क्या हुआ था, people were asking the same question again कि यार क्यों magazine?
हाँ.
I just asked, have you ever read Bhagavad Gita online?
No.
Exactly. तो अगर आप, although that's also I'm considering as a book, अगर आप normal book online नहीं पढ़ रहे हो तो आप कैसे consider करोगे कि मैं अपनी audience online जाके ढूंढूं? And then authenticity is also a factor where, you know, everyone right now is in digital media. How you will find this brand is authentic or that brand is authentic? Have you ever seen Sabyasachi going ahead with social media promotions? कभी उसके ads देखे हैं? नहीं, हमने ads नहीं देखे हैं उसके social media में. हमने कभी TV में ads देखे हैं Sabyasachi के? नहीं देखे हैं. हमने LV के ads देखे हैं? Social media में कभी आपने LV के ads में? Although they are doing social media में promotions because this is right now the time where everyone wants to be there in social media to, you know, gather a good
Their work,
हाँ,
but they won't promote them.
exactly. Promotionals and sharing the source of information, people do that there too. But then too, they are still going ahead behind magazines to promote, to tell about what they are doing right now. So if they are doing that, that means they are trying to create or build trust among their own consumers. The magazine is not for everyone. It is for only a set of consumers who actually are willing to go behind a certain sort of knowledge. तो वो नॉलेज उन्हीं लोगों के पास जाती है जिनको वो नॉलेज चाहिए. तो दैट्स हाउ वो हम उनके कंज्यूमर्स के पास डायरेक्ट पहुंचा रहे हैं.
ऐसा भी होता है ना, एक टच एंड फील करके ज्यादा हमें फेथ हो.
एग्जैक्टली वो टच एंड फील इज डेफिनेटली अ पार्ट जिसमें आई एम अ बिग फैट रीडर. आई हैव, you know, more than 150 books in my library and I can't read with Kindle. I can't read. You also love to read. That's great. So I can't read with these places. I just want a book with me so that I can read. Although I have tried reading, जब मैं बोर हो रही रहती हूँ ना किसी कहीं पे, and I want a solitude, I do start my own phone or tab and I start reading. But when I'm not carrying any book and the book is not handy with me, but I still want to, you know, read a physical copy only. So definitely that's a part. And authenticity is where, you know, आपको अपने ब्रांड को अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग दिखाना है अभी भी, आई विल से कि आप कोई ब्रांड ऑनलाइन देखोगे कि दैट इज एग्जिस्टिंग. एंड सेम इज द केस, आपने आपकी किसी को फ्रेंड ने बताया, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम फैशन ब्रांड ओनली, so if a friend of yours have told you that this friend of mine is having boutique over there, you can try that. Inspired, you will see a boutique in you know, Instagram or somewhere else. What would you prefer first?
और वो
You'll go for your friend's suggestion first, right? So that's how Maxine is doing. She is your friend. Maxine is your friend who is suggesting you where you need to actually go and, you know, find an authenticity rather than going ahead with some random races.
as you said, मैंने भी ना कोविड के समय books were not available, मतलब डिलीवर नहीं हो रहे थे. I tried using Kindle at that time.
Exactly, हाँ.
But मैं वो connection ही नहीं बना पा रही थी.
Why? Which one is your favorite?
I have a interest more in fiction.
Oh, nice, amazing. Fiction and mythology, or
Everything.
you love mythology?
Mythology, then mysteries, then suspense.
Okay, amazing. कौन सी Sydney Sheldon?
That I have finished all.
Nice. Sydney Sheldon is, you know, great in that scenario. Amazing. I to love mythology.
Okay.
So I'm right now also I'm reading Gita by Devdutt Patnaik.
Okay.
Yeah.
So coming back, what are your upcoming events now?
अपकमिंग ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं टू टॉक अबाउट राइट नाउ. अभी जून में तो हमारा ल्यूमिनारा सेकेंड आ रहा है. हमने जनवरी 16 को हमने फर्स्ट टाइम इसको होस्ट किया था बिकॉज जनवरी 16 वाज अ फाउंडेशन डे एंड नाउ वी आर होस्टिंग इट एवरी 6 months. तो जून 21st इज ल्यूमिनारा कमिंग and then हमारा MP edition is also launching soon in June only. Then we have Bior, that is a merch brand that is also launching in June. And then we have Chhattisgarh edition again, वो जो हर दो महीने में तो हम करते ही हैं, तो that is तो coming for sure. And yeah, that, or I guess there are a few other things which I'll reveal it later only during launch.
Okay. So आपको ये क्या लगता है कि मतलब पहले के रीडर्स जो थे अब ओवर द टाइम कैसे चेंज हो गए हैं?
See, readers are never changing. If you love words, you will always follow the words. It's just even what I have seen among readers is we don't even like, the new age slangs, the new age lingos. We always want to feel those words which we used to read earlier. So readers are not changed. The trends have definitely changed. The new age trends we are sharing with them in the old age words. So yeah, the reader's perspective towards trends has been shifted. How पहले क्या होता था कि पहले when even the other magazines used to quote it, they never used to share the stories of any particular thing. They always used to share about brands. Now all the magazines are actually digging the holes and figuring it out. Okay, what was the history, what was the scenario, and everything. So now the curiosity has generated among readers a lot of curiosity is there. So yeah, just if you are writing a story, right from finding a pencil to generating a content out of it. So itna zyada history, itna zyada curiosity readers have generated.
So are you into writing stories also?
Of course, I am not actually stories, but I do write small scenarios that has happened in my own life. I am a storyteller by the Instagram captions, LinkedIn captions, or Quora, but not apart from that. And yeah, journaling too.
Oh.
Alongside, I have been a writer too in my previous works. So yeah,
So have you published any of your?
just Google my name and you'll
I'll. That's it.
I've written 365 stories. Not stories, but interviews and the articles and everything.
Okay.
More than 365 I have. So, of course, being a journalist, this is all your work is. To write about people, to write about things, and yeah.
Correct. So nice. You are also promoting many women entrepreneurs. So उनके लिए भी आप अलग-अलग events कराते रहते.
अभी कल ही हमारा event है, as I told you that you must join. So it is just a coffee meet with women in leadership, women in business, strictly no content creators, just women who are actually doing some business, who can actually help other people to do some business, not in terms of, online segments, but in offline segments.
Okay. So how do you feel about the women who are in some profession or in business, in Raipur especially?
See, these days I'm only finding women who are actually, very, very, very career oriented, very much into business more than men I have seen these days. I have seen, definitely men are very, very good at their own job, but women coming out of their home and doing all the chores and still too much, into work too, that's really inspiring for me. And all the women I have come across these days, abhi kuch din se hi, I am just mesmerizing by the work they are doing, by how they are managing themselves, their homes, and portraying themselves as a really calm and considerate person. Why am I not that calm and considerate person? I want to become that.
No, you are.
No, I just get inspired by each and every person around me, not only women. So I have this thing where I steal a thing from everyone. This I learned from Katrina Kaif. So what she does is she actually draw things from people, but I steal
Skill or
quality, yeah, because every person has their own personality, and if I borrow one thing from one best thing from each person, I'll be the best person.
Yes,
Exactly. So this is what I do. Yeah.
Okay, so who inspired you the most?
This is a really difficult person. I don't know who is my inspiration. I still don't have any inspiration.
So you are still searching.
Yeah, I'm looking for an inspiration. Wait, I told you na, everyone inspires me. मैं सबसे कुछ skill चुरा लेती हूँ.
And where can anyone get the copy of your magazine from?
So we have our magazines kept at all the hotels, at airport too. We have our magazines in the stores too. You can even purchase directly, or you can go to our website, that is www.themob.in. There you just have to fill the form of subscription, and our team will reach out to you for the subscription process. That's
Okay.
Yeah.
So the marketing, was it difficult?
the marketing of magazine.
Yeah, in Chhattisgarh.
First edition was quite difficult, but as they say, magazine बाकी brands को तो promote कर ही रही है, but magazine promotes itself if it is kept somewhere. It is already creating an impact to other people's mind कि ठीक है चलो यहाँ पे एक इंसान तो है जो है cover पे, of course, but with the cover the name also talks. So yeah, the marketing of magazine has never been tough for us because it is creating its own impact.
आपका मैगजीन का क्वालिटी भी इट्स द बेस्ट, सो मच डिजाइनिंग एवरीथिंग कैची है बहुत ज़्यादा. कोई अगर देख रहा है उसे लेबल पे, सो वो रेजिस्ट नहीं कर पाएगा एंड ही विल डेफिनेटली गो पिक इट अप,
Yeah,
रोल द पेजेस.
that's all we want. That's all we want people to do. Even हमने ना जो मैगजीन का GSM होता है ना, we have kept it बहुत thin. So क्या होता है कि what other magazines the fault they are doing is they are making जो अंदर के पेजेस होते हैं ना वो thick कर रहे हैं, और इवन कवर भी उतना थिक कर दे रहे हैं ना कि सी जितना ईज हम लोगों को देंगे उतना इजीली वो चीज़ें कैप्चर करेंगे. तो पेजेस टर्न करने में इफ दे फील थोड़ा सा भी स्ट्रगल ना, वो 2 पेजेस स्क्रॉल करके वापस रख देंगे. बट इफ दे फाइंड इट थिन पेपर समवेयर तो दे विल स्क्रॉल इट मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर, एंड एवरीवन will read all the articles what we have written. So this is actually a sort of an idea where we went through. और साथ में ना यहाँ पे वी इनिशिएटेड जो हमारा फर्स्ट एडिशन था ना, दैट वाज नॉट एट ऑल ऑफ अ गुड क्वालिटी. आई वाज वेरी वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड विद द क्वालिटी, डिसअपॉइंटेड विद द प्रिंटर एंड एवरीथिंग. बट धीरे धीरे आफ्टर डूइंग मार्केट रिसर्च एंड एवरीथिंग, सेकेंड एडिशन वाज बेटर देन द फर्स्ट वन, थर्ड वाज इवन बेटर. तो ऐसे धीरे धीरे वी अचीव द लेवल वी आर एट. एंड वो हर एडिशन में ऐसा होता है ना कि नाउ लेट अस सी अभी कैसे दिख रही है मैगजीन. मतलब अंदर से हमारी टीम के अंदर इट इज a lot of excitement every time we see a new edition. We want to see how our cover is looking, how the inside pages are looking. We get a lot of excitement inside us. So yeah, that's the thing कि ऐसे होता है ना, everyone else, every other brand is every other business is celebrating once a year, twice a year, because उनके जो products होते हैं वो once a year, twice a year आते हैं. हमारे products every 2 months में आ रहे हैं. Everyone has that much of excitement every time we are launching a new edition. So that's a good thing for us.
सो आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे यंग जो नई सोच के साथ, नई आइडियाज के साथ जो छत्तीसगढ़ के लोग हैं या इंडिया के जो यूथ हैं, उनको आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
क्या बोलूँगी, मैं खुद यूँ तो.
That's why I'll be more connected to you.
Of course. So I'll say if you have seen a dream, just follow whatever, wherever your destiny is taking you, because your destiny will take you towards your dream only. That's how I have actually achieved whatever I'm trying to achieve. And you'll also achieve for sure. I'm pretty sure about that.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you.
time, and it was lovely talking to you.
Same here.